Okay, we're back at the range with the 7mm International. I took the aim point 1000 off and I put a Simmons pistol scope with a variable pistol scope, 2 to 6. All right, the 7mm International is looking pretty good with the new Simmons scope. 62 power. And we're testing it and sighting in at the range today at 50 yards. Bullet today is a 100 grain Sierra hollow point, and it's doing pretty good. I'll get a picture of the target in a minute. 7mm International with the new scope. Okay, 7mm International is looking pretty good. Not a bad group.
Looks like we have everyone back from downrange. We call the range hot.
50 yards.